Dr. Georgina. I'm a cosmetic and restorative dentist here in Del Mar, California. And today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, and that's porcelain veneers. You have probably seen them in Hollywood stars. You might know someone, you might be interested in them. So today I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you the very basics of porcelain veneers. So please join me and watch this video. Now, what exactly are veneers? Now, first off, please know that there are two types. One are porcelain and one are composite. Now, today we're going to be focusing on porcelain only. Now, I want you to think of them like very thin shells that are made of porcelain that they're going to be bonded to the front surface of your teeth. This is to improve the appearance of your teeth. Now, think of them like kind of like contact lenses go over your eyes. That's usually how they fit. Now, who's the candidate for veneers? Now, this treatment is ideal for people who are unhappy with either the size, the shape, the color of your or the precision of their original teeth. And let me give you some examples. Some people might be taking certain medications that have stained their teeth, and whitenings are no longer effective for them. So in this case, porcelain veneers are a great treatment option. Also, patients that have gap in between their teeth or very small teeth, this is a perfect candidate for them. Also, if you have big teeth and you want smaller teeth, and if your teeth are misaligned or they have mild crowding and for some reason you don't want to go through orthodontics and Invisalign, maybe you don't have the time or you just don't want to do the orthodontic treatment, this is a great option for you. Also, people with worn and chipped teeth, I often see patients that have, as we start aging, our teeth start to chip and wear, so this is a great alternative for them. Also, patients might want just a broader looking smile and they might have a narrower smile. So these are typically the people that are good candidates for veneers. Now, another common question I usually get is, how many veneers do I need? Now, that really depends on each case, but know that some people might get 2 veneers up to 10, 12, 14 veneers in each arch, top and bottom. So you have plenty of options there. Now, what's the process like? Here at Bliss Dental, we streamline things for you to make it as easy as possible. So here's what to expect. Number one, we'll start with a virtual consultation at the comfort of your home or your work where you are. Now, in this virtual consultations where you're going to send us some pictures and your smile goals, and then I'll respond with a personalized video that's gonna give you my recommendations. It's gonna give you the time frame of the treatment and an estimated cost. Now, if you agree, then we bring you into an in-office visit. In this office visit, we're going to take x-rays, we're gonna take pictures, scan of your mouth, and we'll do a very thorough dental exam. Now, from here, with all this information, I'm going to do a smile design for you that's just customized for you, because I always say no smile should be the same. Your new smile should match your facial features. If you're a 6-foot guy, I'm not gonna put small teeth on you, or vice versa. So after we have that dialed in, and if you agree with the design, then you come back for a whitening if needed and the smile test drive. Here with the smile test drive, if your case allows it, you'll be able to see what your veneers will look like without doing any drilling or getting you them. Now, if we agree with that smile design, then we prepare for the big day. This is going to be the longest appointment. It usually takes about 4 hours, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. And here's where we're gonna make the adjustments to your natural teeth. We'll do the impressions to send to the lab so they can custom make the porcelain veneers for you. And then you'll go home with some temporary veneers. It's a great way for you to get used to your new smile. And if you want to make any changes, this is a perfect time. We'll get to pick the color here, the shape, the size, everything. Now, If everything goes as planned, then you come back in about 3-4 weeks and we will try in your permanent veneers, and if everything looks like we like, then we'll seal them permanently. After that, we have you come back now a week after your seat appointment, and in this appointment I will be giving you a night guard which you'll be using to sleep with. We have to protect that beautiful investment you just made. And then after that, it's just important to continue with your hygiene, your checkups every 6 months, just to make sure that everything, not only your veneers, like your rest of your mouth, is in a good healthy condition. So this is pretty much how we do things here at Bliss. If you're interested, please feel free to take advantage of our virtual consults. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have, and I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.